Alright people, welcome back. We have a new project here, a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. As you can see, we have some front end damage to the passenger side. It's not a lot of damage, but it was enough for the insurance company to salvage it out. Since the airbag's also deployed, that costs a lot of money to fix. So let's take a quick look inside. I need to replace that windshield. I need to replace this dash airbag and the steering wheel airbag, as well as the both the seat belts, passenger and driver. Okay, let's take a quick peek out back. Nothing much going on the passenger side, but on the driver's side here by the reflector we have some damage, so I'll have to replace that reflector and fix that scratch right there. And one last peek inside. And I do have to replace the whole dashboard, since when that airbag deployed it ripped through the dashboard. So here I have a replacement dashboard from another Jeep that I bought from a junkyard. Check it out, I have the dashboard out, and I did have to remove the steering wheel to get more clearance, but here's everything that was on the dashboard, all the trim and whatnot. And let's take a quick look at the damaged dashboard. As you can see, when the airbag deployed, it ripped right through the panel, so there's no repairing that. And here is my new but used dashboard from another Jeep. And when I got it from the delivery truck, this bracket was broken, but it's not a big deal. It's something I can just glue together with some plastic weld. And there are a few things I still need to transfer from my original dashboard to the new dashboard. For example, this ignition switch and the AC vents. So I'll be doing that here in a little bit. It's the next day. I got my new seat belts in. I got the airbag in the correct color.
6 hours later.
But as you can see, it lines up good. I'm just waiting on that headlight so I can put it on, put my bumper on, and see how everything looks. Tomorrow I'll be picking up this, I guess it's a filler. I need to order another one of this. I broke a few tabs on here, about 3 tabs. Hopefully my headlight gets here. I think it should be here, what's today? The 11th? I think I saw online that it should be here on the 12th, so tomorrow. So hopefully by then I'll have everything ready, lined up. I have a check engine light on it. I'm gonna check that out. Also, this tram gauge is what I used to see how far my upper radiator support was pushed in. I got some measurements from the Jeep, and I was able to figure out how far I needed to pull. Check it out. I have the Jeep's parts here, the front bumper and the fender. Gonna be painting them today. I'm sorry if the camera looks a little bit foggy or shaky. I got some water in it the other day and it hasn't been right since. But here's just an update. I got my fender and bumper painted. Kind of just slapped that on there. It's not really bolted on. I just wanted to see how it looked like. This is actually the original fender. Originally, I had bought a new fender just to get it to pass inspections. That way I didn't waste any time fixing this. But this is the original fender. It had been crumbled right here. And I went ahead and straightened it out, put some body filler in there. I had some scratches back here on the rear bumper. So I went ahead and repaired those and painted this quarter. Well, I just added paint right here, but I cleared the whole bumper from this side up to right here. So I just gotta sand this down and buff it. Quick update on the Jeep. I've spent most of the day cleaning it up. I still have to vacuum it one last time, but it's coming along. I pressure washed my mats. Right now I'm working on this bumper that I had painted. The clear ran in some areas, so I just sanded it down with 1000 and then 2000. And right here too, this is where I blended it. So I'm about to mask it off, buff and polish that. And then just clean it up on the outside, really. I've already done my engine. If I can get in here. Yep, I already cleaned this bad boy up. Looking pretty good. Easily see all the defects in it, and I just washed it, but I don't know why it looks like it has all these fingerprints. I don't know what's up with it, so I'm gonna have to polish all this out. I'm gonna do something quick little polish. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna do a quick polish and get all of these scratches out. And also I'm gonna ceramic coat all this plastic trim. I'm gonna put some ceramic on there just to make it pop. All right, so I've done this whole side. I still need to wet sand this with like 2000 and buff and polish, but everything else I've just polished. Just a quick little enhancement. As you can see, I've done this whole hood up until right here. You can kind of see the difference. It looks a lot better once it's polished. Check it out. It's all detailed out. Ready to be sewed. I still need to clean this seat a little bit more. It has some stains on it. I washed it about an hour ago. I don't know if you can tell. There's a lot of pollen out. Here in Georgia, all the trees are blooming, so black cars are having a bad time right now.